You bad bitches looking stupid in the white, bring a picture in the white, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we are here again to do another makeup tutorial, but this is one of a kind makeup tutorial because I've done this makeup with Suit for Rent. So, it is a store where you could rent some suits and hindi lang palagi siya plain na suits lang, like we are talking about fashion design suits which could suit your style. So I would like to thank you for Super Rent for collaborating with me. And without further ado, let's talk about this makeup. So I made this grungy blue smoky eye with this popping maroon lip, and this was inspired by Taylor Swift in the music video in Look What You Made Me Do, and the scene where she was put in a bathtub of crystals and gems. And it was really iconic when that music video came out, and I want to recreate that style into my style where you could achieve this look. So without any further ado, let's get on with this tutorial. I'm taking the shade Jada, and we're just going to put it on the crease and use it as a transition shade. I'm taking the shade Enchanted, and we're just going to further deepen the crease in the outer corner. And after using the shade Enchanted, we're just going to use the shade Abyss and to further deepen the crease in the outer corner. I'm taking the shade Diva, and we're just going to put it on the lids. I know you're going to read me for doing cut creases all the time, but it's my all-time favorite. But please be patient with me, guys, because I've been in school lately and I'm having a hard time and I hope you can understand that. And yeah, I'm sorry, but I will try to be creative as much as possible. I'm taking my favorite drugstore foundation, which is this Maybelline Superstay foundation, and guys, I really recommend this foundation because it is very affordable and at the same time it is full coverage, and I'm telling you, this will stay for the whole day, and I promise you this foundation is really good. I'm taking the NYX HD Concealer, and we're just going to highlight the face with a blending sponge, oh my god, beauty blender, and we're just going to lighten the face. And after putting on the concealer, we're just going to set our face with the L'Oreal Infallible Powder Foundation. And this is my favorite foundation of all time from the drugstore, and it really lasts long, and I really love this. And taking the NYX bronzer, I'm just going to further bronze the face, of course. And taking the Makeup Geek Cosmetics Contour Compact in Half-Hearted. And I really love this contour because I just really love it because it goes to my face very well. And I never looked back any of again, so I'll probably refill another contour compact for maybe next year because I really love this contour compact because it really suits my face. And we're just going to set our face and further sharpen the contour. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, and this is my favorite blush of all time because this is a long-wearing blush and I really love the shade. And using the Colourpop Alexis Ren Colourpop collaboration, the highlighter, and we're just going to highlight the face. And oh my god, this has been my all-time favorite highlighter because it's affordable and it really reflects. Like, girl. And I know I haven't been using the Skinny Dip highlighter because it was broken, and I'm planning to buy another one. But I hope Jouer Cosmetics will reformulate this formula into a stiffer formula because it is one of the creamiest highlighters I ever had. But the only thing is, it's not stiff enough that is safe for travel. So yeah. To coat our lashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Tropical Paradise Mascara, and this has been my favorite ever since I got it from the event of Project Clarity at L'Oreal, and which they promote this product, and it really goes with the hype because it really extends your lashes and it really stays for the whole day because it's waterproof, of course. Well, all Maybelline and L'Oreal mascaras are waterproof, so get the idea, and they really last long. And finally, with our lashes, I'm using the Lovely Lashes Manila and Sassy. This has been my favorite as well for the whole year. I never get tired of using this again and again because it's so perfect for any kind of look. And finally, using the Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade, I forgot what shade is this. I'll just put it down below on the description box, but this has been my favorite maroon lipstick. And I hope I could get another tube because I think I'm running out. So yeah, I really love the formula of this and I need to buy it again. And finally, with the last step is to set our face with the Hello Gorgeous setting spray, and I love the setting spray because it lasts all day. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. And please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please make sure to hit that bell button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And pasensya na sa last video ko kasi medyo may sakit ako noon. And pagpasensya nyo na kasi yun nga, may sakit ako, nahirapan ako noon. Pero I'm trying to give out content to you guys, and I'm trying my best. And thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!